Make a great choice today with the 2019 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, compass, fog lights, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, equalizer, cloth bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.